Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play some classic Dolly Parton. Jolene. Okay, cool. Standard tuning. Let's put a capo on 4th fret, please. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. And A minor. Back to A minor. That's all the chords we need, actually. The hardest part about this song is the picking. And that lick that keeps coming back. Now, this track has a lot of guitars. Many layers, so this is one of the main guitar parts, but I hear like 3 or 4 different guitars. Alright, so the switching is for the verses A to C, G to A minor, G to A minor to C, G to A minor, G chorus. C, G, A, G, 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 A, G, and A, G, 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 G. And the strumming I'm doing is down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. With a little muting too on the bridge. Okay, and that lick, what I hear is pick 5, 4, 3. So it's an A minor, but you lift up the first finger like that, and then put it down to make it an A minor, and then lift up all the strings. Actually, just lift up that finger again. think it ends with just vamping on the A minor. Jolene, Jolene. There it is. Swedish blues. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool hits. Be safe.